Here's the thing about Chevy Malibu anti-theft systems. They do their job a little too well sometimes. You park, run inside for 5 minutes, come back out, and suddenly your car's treating you like a burglar. Inconvenient isn't even the word. A bunch of us have had this moment, staring at that relentless blinking security light, trying to recall if we changed anything recently or just accidentally angered the Malibu gods. But really, it's a pretty common occurrence as Malibu's age or if the battery's ever been replaced. It's usually called a pass lock or anti-theft system depending on year, but the symptoms are always the same. You put the key in, turn it, and nothing. Engine cranks or completely dead, security light mocking you from the dashboard. Owners always want to know, is this going to be a wallet destroyer or something I can fix in the time it takes to microwave a burrito? Often, you can reset the anti-theft security yourself without paying a dealer a ransom. Here's how you do it, step by step. Don't overthink it. First, pop into your Malibu, close all doors, and stick the key in the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, not start, just on. Engine stays off. Now, the part that feels a bit like an ancient ritual. Leave the key in that on position for 10 solid minutes. Yes, I know 10 minutes feels like 10 years when you're late for work, but don't rush it. Watch the dashboard. After about 10 minutes, that anti-theft light will stop blinking and go solid or turn off altogether. That's your signal the system is ready to reset. This step is when most people get impatient and accidentally restart the cycle. With the light off, turn the ignition back to off. Wait 30 seconds. Go ahead, count aloud if it helps. It's shockingly easy to skip this bit, but it gives the computer time to reset, which is crucial. Now try starting the car. Most of the time, you'll get that beautiful sound of an engine roaring back to life, and not the dead silence of your Malibu holding your groceries hostage. If you still see the security light, repeat this process up to 2 more times. Common pain points here are usually related to either rushing the process or skipping steps. People expect a 90-second fix, but this is one of those, it'll take almost 30 minutes, but it actually works kind of hacks. Pro tip, if your anti-theft issues keep coming back, it might be a sign your ignition key, cylinder, or even the BCM, body control module, is on its last leg. We're talking numbers here. 7 out of 10 recurring anti-theft headaches trace back to failing key chips or worn ignitions. And if you ever replaced your Malibu battery and got slammed with security issues afterward, you're not alone. Battery swaps sometimes wipe out stored anti-theft codes, so it isn't your fault. It's a design quirk. Don't blame yourself. Just reset. So next time your Chevy Malibu tries its best impression of Fort Knox, just remember this reset trick. It's weirdly empowering when it works, and you'll avoid a $100 dealer charge too.